In this video, I'll show you how to export chart data in TradingView. First, open TradingView and make sure you're either connected to a broker or using paper trading mode. If you're not connected yet, just click on Trading Panel at the bottom, then choose Paper Trading and connect. Once that's set up, look for the small arrow button next to Paper Trading. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Export Chart Data. A window will appear showing different options like positions, orders, history, account history, and trading journal. From here, choose what kind of data you want to export, for example, account history if you want all your past trades. Once you've made your selection, click Export, and your data will be downloaded as a CSV file. You can open that file in Excel or Google Sheets to review your trading activity, calculate profits, or track your performance over time. And that's it. That's how you export data in TradingView step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick TradingView tutorials.